Conversation 1 was there for meeting conversation, and second chapter was there for parting conversation. Now we are going to go for the next one, and that's what, do you speak English? We are going to start a new topic today, and that's what, do you speak English? Chapter number 3 of this conversation book. Let's go for the next one. Do you speak English? I hope all of you are practicing at home and you're watching the videos, the recordings which I'm.
Yes, sir.
If you have any questions, you can ask me directly, all right? No problem at all. But please keep on practicing at home. Let's go for the next one. Now, today we are going to start a new chapter, and that's what, do you speak English? Now, if you want to ask somebody something, you have to ask a question to anyone by language or by other things as well. Do you know many words? Do you know many words? No, I don't. Only the important words. Only the important words. Now, if you see in this conversation, the person is asking someone, do you speak English? Only a little. Now, what do you mean by only a little?
थोड़ा बहुत.
थोड़ी.
थोड़ी सी सब, only थोड़ी.
Hello.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
I'm facing a little network problem over here, so please cooperate. Sorry for this one. But are you listening me clearly now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, your video is not there.
Hello?
And your screen is looking blur.
Sir, you isn't looking in video.
Oh my God.
Yes, sir. Now you are.
Are you able to listen me clearly now, this time?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, your video is hang.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
it's clear.
I don't know what's wrong with my network today. Is this clear now?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir.
But your voice is lagging, sir.
Lagging again?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And your screen is looking blur. No, sir.
I don't know what's wrong with my network today. It is troubling me since yesterday. Are you listening me properly?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Now.
Now it's better, sir.
Is it better?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Now listen to me carefully. Last time we have seen meeting and parting conversations, right? Now today we are going to start a topic, and that's what about, do you speak English? We are going to talk about languages, and we are going to ask someone that how do you speak English? How much do you speak English? How much do you know about English or the other languages as well? For example, do you speak English? Only a little and not very well. Do you know many words? No, I don't. Only the important words I know. So this is what exactly a person is asking someone, means his partner, that do you speak English, and he is replying him that only a little. Now what do you mean by only a little?
थोड़ा
What do you mean by
थोड़ा
only
सा.
a little?
थोड़ा
थोड़ी
सा.
हाँ थोड़ा. I taught you this before that only a little. Only a little मतलब नहीं थोड़ा सा. So a little means मतलब नहीं थोड़ा. So when someone is saying that only a little means what? थोड़ा थोड़ा बोलता हूँ मैं and not very well. Do you know many words? क्या आपको बहुत सारे words पता है? No, I don't. Only the important words I know. So let's see the exercises here. Do you speak English? We can change this word into another. For example, do you speak Greek? Do you speak Spanish? Do you speak Italian? Do you speak Portuguese? Do you speak Hindi? Do you speak Marathi? Etc. Okay. Next one. You can change the noun or pronoun over there. For example, do you speak English or does your brother speak English? Now I want to ask you one question. There was, do you speak English? They have written there, right? Do you speak
yeah,
English? Now, why do they write there? Does your brother speak English? Why does? Why not do? Yes, why does not do?
Because we are
Miss
talking
Rukaiya.
about third person. Because we are talking about third
Exactly.
person.
Yeah. This is the rule of simple present tense. I'm just showing you here once again. Please pay attention. Simple present tense has a rule. Shh, shh. जल्दी 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 बिना बिना तकलीफ दिए जल्दी 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 चले आना फटाफट. Sorry. Now simple present tense, we are using simple present tense for routine especially. And the rule for simple present tense is what? The rule is saying I, you, we, and they means what? Plural pronouns. For plural pronouns, we put there verb plus
ing.
no s. ing नहीं आता है. No plus no es. Okay. No plus no s, no es. Okay. Next one. He, she, or it. That's what? Singular pronoun. Verb plus s or es. Verb plus s or es. We
Yes.
have to. For example, let's take an example of simple present tense. See, I'm just showing you here just for the sentences, just for the sake of sentences. All right. For example, I go to school. I, you, we, they, verb plus no s, no es. I go to school. Next, he, while making sentences with he plus verb plus s or es. He go will become goes.
He goes.
Correct. He goes to school. All right. He go will become goes to school. Same case, same case. Do I know you? Do I know you? क्या मैं आपको जानता हूँ? So verb is there, do. Not auxiliary verb is there, do. Same case, do का हो जाएगा does when you are talking about third person. That's what? He, she, it. All right. So does he know you? Does he know you? So do का हो जाएगा does. Does she know you? Does it know you? Does he know you? For he, she, it, we are going to use there does. Same case. Does your brother speak English? So your brother means what? The person is what? He. The person is what? He. और he के लिए क्या लगेगा भाई? Does. So does he speak English? Is that clear? Yeah.
In I go to school, what is the verb?
Go. Go is the verb. And here, the first verb is coming, do. So जो first verb आएगा उसके अंदर s और es लगेगा, जैसे कि यहाँ पर लगा है. First verb कौन आया? Do. इसके लिए first verb में लगेगा, second verb में नहीं लगेगा. Same case. यहाँ पे first verb कौन है? Go. Go के अंदर लगेगा es, second verb में नहीं लगेगा. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So, do you speak English? And does your brother speak English? So you are going to put there s or es in the verb. So, do you speak English? Do you speak Marathi? Do you speak Hindi? Do you speak Mandarin? What is Mandarin? Mandarin. What language is this Mandarin? Yes? Yes? Chinese language is called Mandarin. China की जो language है उसको Mandarin बोलते हैं, Mandarin. Alright? Yeah. Next one is what? Do you speak English? Next, Does your brother speak English? Do your sisters, plural है, plural. Do your sisters speak English? Do your sisters speak English? Does Mr. Brown speak English? Do the lawyers speak English? Does the girl speak English? Can you please give me some sentences like this? Can you please give me some sentences like this? Does your boss speak Spanish? Does your sister speak Marathi? Does your father
Does
speak Arabic?
speak English?
Repeat.
Does rotten apple speak English?
मेरे दोस्त वो रॉटन एप्पल को छोड़ दो यार. आपने कितने दिन से खाली एक ही वर्ड ले रहे हैं आप. कुछ नया भी बोलो. बैक सीट ड्राइवर, एप्पल्स. प्रैक्टिस किया था आप लोगों ने? Did you practice at home Thursday's lecture? The word power which I have given you. Cool as cucumber.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Does your
Can you please give me some
does your
sentences?
team member
My humble. It's my humble request to all of you. Please don't be quiet. आप लोग यहाँ पे चुप बैठने के लिए थोड़ी आए हैं. You have to speak English. See, आज ही मैंने एक वीडियो रिकॉर्ड किया है मेरा. वो आप लोग जब वीडियो देखेंगे तो आपको खुद ही समझ में आ जाएगा कि मैं कहना क्या चाहता हूँ. इंशाल्लाह कल परसों में मैं वो वीडियो को अपलोड करने वाला हूँ. So don't miss the chance to have the great courage. All right? Good.
does your team member collaborate you?
Correct. But I want you to make some sentence first with speak English. Does your father speak French? Does your mother speak Marathi? Do your sisters, do your brothers speak English? Yes.
Does great
इसके अंदर आप
people
first आप लोग yeah.
does great people speak English?
Okay. Do great people speak English? Do plural है ना? Yes, ma'am. Please make sentences. Miss Tasmia, Miss Rukaya, make sentences. Yes. Do you speak French? Yes. Give me sentences like this, please. इसके अगर आप लोग अगर साथ नहीं देंगे, if you are not helping me, how could I help you? So help me to help you. How would you help yourself? By making sentences. And I'll come to know that yes, exactly you are the people who are making good sentences, so I can teach you much more better in the greatest way. So please help me to help you.
Does your brother speak Russian language?
Very good. Very good.
Does your brother Joel speaks English?
Very good.
Does Donald Trump speak English?
Very good.
Do your brother speak Arabic?
Very good.
Does
Brother.
coffee shop manager speak Spanish?
Very good. French. Spanish. Yes.
Do you speak English, Mr. John?
Very good. Do you speak English, Mr. John?
Does your grandfather speak English?
Does your grandfather speak English? Yes. Zainab, Miss Rukaya, speak up.
Does your sister speak?
Very good. Does your sister speak French?
Does engineer speak English?
Very good. Do engineer?
Does accountant speak Spanish?
Very good. Does. Yes.
Does
on making-
actor speak English?
Do, my dear. Do. Plural, है ना? Do actors speak English?
Do your brother speak Kannada?
Yes. Okay. Now change the sentence and could you please make some sentence like this? For example, did you speak Spanish in childhood? अभी आपने childhood में बोला है क्या? Spanish. Did you speak Spanish in the party? क्या आपने party में Spanish बोला था? Speak Spanish in the event में बोला था. In the session. Change कर करके बोलते रहिए please.
Do you?
Or
Did you?
or you can change the sentence like this. For example, do you deliver a speech in English? Change the sentence. Do you? यहाँ पे मैं आपको कुछ न्यू वर्ड देने वाला हूँ. So please be bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. ये भी हाई लेवल इंग्लिश का एक क्लीशे है. क्या मतलब होता है इसका? Be bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Yes. Be bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. बहुत ही जबरदस्त चीज है. चाहिए तो आप लोग कॉपी कर सकते हैं या फिर स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो इसका. और वैसे भी आपके पास तो ये डॉक्यूमेंट तो मैंने दिया ही हूँ. Yes, मतलब क्या है दोस्त ऐसा? Can you please tell me? Anyone knows? You can tell me. Be bright-eyed.
Did you speak? Did you make sentence in session?
My dear friend, I'm asking you, what's the meaning of this sentence? The sentence which I have written over there. Be bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Anyone?
Sir, I'm
बोल
not
सकता है
pretty
please?
sure. Sir, I'm not pretty sure, but I try to tell the meaning of this. I think confidence.
Yeah, can you please tell me?
Sir, I think so. Confidence.
Exam.
Be alert
Alert. And eager
and
to
awake. Be alert and awake. जागे रहो. जागो ग्राहक जागो. Be alert and awake. So, क्या था मैं क्या बोल रहा था? Do you deliver speech in English? Do you deliver a sermon? What do you mean by sermon? ये sermon क्या होता है? Yes, sermon क्या होता है? कितने लोगों को पता है? New words मिल रहे हैं. आप लोग lucky हैं. छोड़ना नहीं. Copy. Yes. sermon का मतलब होता है खुतबा. जुमे के रोज मौलाना खुतबा देते हैं ना मेंबर पे खड़े होकर. पता है कि नहीं?
Yes,
हेलो.
sir.
अरे खतरनाक लोग हाँ ना तो बोलो प्लीज.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
उसको sermon बोलेंगे. Okay? Do you offer a degree in German? What do you mean by degree? Religious. Yes, degree का मतलब क्या होता है? Hello? Degree? Degree का मतलब
Sir, listening very first time.
डिग्री का मतलब होता है फतवा. फतवा होता है ना. मुफ्ती लोग फतवा देते हैं ये काम हराम है हलाल है. मसले के बारे में फतवा देते हैं. आपको पता रहेगा. मसले का हल होता है. उसको बोलेंगे हम लोग डिग्री. Do you offer a degree in German? Do you publish? सी मैं आपको सिर्फ सेंटेंस को फ्रेम करने के लिए बता रहा हूँ कि आपको सेंटेंस को अलग अलग तरीके से फ्रेम करके न्यू सेंटेंस बनाना कैसे है. दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू यूज योर ब्रेन. डू यू पब्लिश योर बुक इन Marathi? Can you please give me some sentences like this? Do you deliver? Do you offer a speech? Do you deliver a speech? Do you offer a speech in English? Yes, can you please give me some sentences with do
Sir.
you? Do you के साथ में ही बना दो. Yeah.
You will share document.
Yes. Very good, girl. Can we please talk after this class? Let's have this by our classes first. What do you mean by babysitter? Baby sister and baby brother. Babysitter it might be, not baby sister. Babysitter क्या मतलब क्या होता है? Nanny, caretaker. Caretaker होती है ना nanny. Yes, can you please give me some sentences like this? मैंने इतने अच्छे सेंटेंस आपको दिया हूँ, अभी आप लोग थोड़ा सा बनाइए प्लीज उसको. Yes, बोलना है आप लोगों को. Please don't be so quiet. Yes, मुजाहिद, Miss Tasmiya,
Did
Miss Ruqayya,
your
Mr. Mufiz,
brother
Mr. Sahil.
assist you to teach artist?
वेरी गुड बॉय. इतना लंबा चौड़ा नहीं लेने का दोस्त, पहले थोड़ा थोड़ा स्लो स्लो लेंगे, फिर उसके बाद में इंशाल्लाह हम लोग बड़े बड़े सेंटेंस बना लेंगे. यस, कंटिन्यू प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
Do you speak English
Yes.
in the match winning ceremony, man of the match ceremony?
Correct.
Do you
Speak English
offer
in the
a
match winning.
Spanish book in a childhood?
Okay.
Did you meet?
Yes.
Did you speak English when you were a child?
Did you speak English when you were a child? You were a child. Yes.
Do you speak English on a stage when you were childhood?
Okay. When you were a child. Yes, Miss Tasmiya.
Have you ever delivered a speech without a hitch?
Without a
Hitch.
correct.
Did you speak
Yes.
Spanish when you are 3 years old?
Very good. Sahil.
Did you
Mujahid.
speak when you are business person?
Okay. Did you speak English when you were a business person?
Do you have any uniqueness to be great from others?
Repeat once again.
Do you have any unique skills to be great from others? Sorry.
Did you speak English when you are lawyer?
Did you speak English when you were a lawyer? When you were a lawyer. Next.
Do you have positive mindsets to perform best?
Very good.
Sir, what is the meaning of social worker?
कार्यकर्ता रहते पॉलिटिशियन वगैरह उनको बोलते हैं.
Do you spoken English in childhood?
ओके. आप लोग आज सेंटेंस नहीं दे रहे जैसे मुझे चाहिए. कोई सेंटेंस बना ही नहीं रहा है जैसे चाहिए मुझे. यस.
Did you speak Spanish in session?
Did you speak Spanish in sessions?
Did you
Okay.
speak English? Did you speak English in finance?
Very good.
Did
Yes.
you speak Spanish when you are flying a airplane? Does Mary
Yes.
speak
German?
Does Mary speak English in
Does Mary
house?
English? Yes.
Did you listen a radio in English?
Very good. Did you listen to radio in English?
Do you deliver
didn't listen.
motivation? Do you
Yes.
deliver motivation to be best?
Motivation to be best.
Did you speak English when you are farmer? or gardening.
Okay. You're a farmer. Yes, next.
Did you speak German
Did
in your
you sing
company?
a song in English?
Do you know Spanish
Very
to
good.
interact? Do you know Spanish to interact with Spanish person?
Spanish
Did
people.
you
Very
speak?
good.
Did you speak Spanish when you are in office?
मेरे दोस्त स्पिनैश नहीं Spanish.
Spanish.
Yes, Miss Tasmia.
Does Rohan speak French still? Decade.
Yes.
Do you know everything?
Did
Do
you
you know
understand
everything?
English?
Did you understand English?
Do you
Yes,
know
Sahil.
some? Do you know about law to be a good lawyer?
Good. Okay. So does Mr. Brown speak English? Does that girl speak English? Do you speak English? Do the lawyers speak English? Let's have here some more words with adverbs. Okay. Now they are changing the adverbs and they're making some good sentences over there. For example, do you speak English? Do you speak English fluently? Do you speak English rapidly? Do you speak English very well? Do you speak English correctly? Do you speak English grammatically correct? Can you please give me some sentence like this? Do you speak English? Do you
Do you
speak?
speak English fluently?
Very good boy. नया कुछ तो रहने का. Do you speak English fluently? Do you speak English rapidly? जबरदस्त बोलते हैं एकदम फटाफट फटाफट.
Do you
Do you
speak
speak?
English in UK accent?
Very good. Very good. Very good. Do you
Did
speak
you
English?
speak English very fast?
Yes.
Did you speak English very fast?
Very good. Speak English very
Do you
fast.
do you speak English very fast in front of your family?
Very good.
Do you speak English without a mistake?
Very good.
Do you speak English with a stopwatch?
Very good.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Do you speak English with le-
American accent.
with explaining all things with proof?
Yeah.
Do you
Continue.
Do you speak English with high level vocabulary?
Very good.
Do you speak in a paragraph in English in 5 seconds?
Very
Did
good.
you ever speak English with foreigner?
Very good.
Did you speak English like Air Force?
फेंकना नहीं. Air Force नहीं. Yes. Yes, continue.
Do you speak English in front of a stage?
Very good. Do you speak English on a stage, not in front of, on a stage directly? Yes. Yes.
You speak English without hesitation.
Correct. Do you speak English without hesitation?
Did you
Did
speak?
you speak English without any mistake?
Did you speak English without any mistake?
Does teacher speak English in 1 second?
Very good.
Did your father speak Spanish in
Spanish.
in like sir?
Did you ever speak in English in front of your friend?
Do you speak English with full of confidence?
Very good.
Does Rohan speak English without a proof?
Okay. Now correct. Now, do you speak English with your father? Can you please give me some sentence like this? Do you speak English with your brother? Do you speak English with your family? Do you speak English with your boss? Do you speak French with your colleagues? Do you speak Marathi with your neighbors? Can you please give me some sentence like this?
Did you speak English with your servant?
Very good.
Do you speak
Yes.
English with your neighbors?
Very good.
Do you speak English with your farmer?
Very good. Can you please change the languages? Change the languages and make good sentences. Yes. Mujahid, make sentences. Tokaya, very quiet, huh?
Do
Miss
you
Tasmia.
speak German with sir?
Very good.
Did you speak Spanish
Spanish.
with your brothers?
Very good. Yes.
The Bengal भी एक language है.
Bengali. Yes, Miss Tasmia.
Do you
Did you
speak English
sister-
with your teachers?
Very good. Yes,
Do you
Mujahid.
speak Bengali with your backseat driver?
Did your sister speak, taken a conversation in English?
Correct.
Did you speak USA style with your family?
Good.
We speak Spanish with your team partners.
Very good with your partners.
Do you speak French with a worker?
Very good.
Did you speak Hindi with your friends?
Very good.
So what means of advisor?
Yes.
What
Advisor.
means of advisor? Yes.
Do you
Salah
speak
deta hai.
English? Do you speak English with your siblings?
Correct. Do you speak English with your siblings?
Did you ever crack your interview in English?
Very good. You ever crack an interview in English? Very nice.
Did you speak English with your backseat drivers?
Good boy. Good
Do
boy.
you speak German with a advisor?
Very good. Next.
Do you deal well in English with customers?
Very good. Do you deal well in English with customers?
Do you speak English with your companions?
Very good. Do you speak English with your companions? Very nice.
Did you speak English with your family and friends?
Very good.
सर ओनली स्पीक पे बनाना है.
आगे चलेंगे ना अपन. अभी अपन speak छोड़ देंगे. Right. Do you write in English? Change the sentences like this. Do you write in English? Or do you listen English? Or do you write English? Do you write English? Do you listen English? Do you listen songs in English? Do you write articles in English? You can say like this. Articles in English. Do you listen songs in English? Change the sentences and make it. Yes.
Did you speak English with deaf?
Deaf people.
Do you speak
Did you
English
ever
with
sing
your
a song
father
in
as
English?
well as teach water?
Very good. Sing a song
Do
in
you
English.
Do you write poetry in English?
Very good. Do you write poetries in English?
Do
you
you
speak in German?
Do you sing in English?
Did you speak English with your father as dull as ditch water?
As dull as ditch. Nice. Yes. At least you're trying. Yes.
Do you
Yes.
read a novel in English?
Do you read a novel in English? Correct.
Do you write letters in English?
Very good. Do you write letters in English? Read, write, cry, sing, song. कुछ भी फेंको पर बोलो please, because at
Do
least you
you-
are speaking here. So in future you're going to make good sentences with it. Yes, continue.
Do you speak high level English with Ansar, sir?
Very good. Yes,
We
please.
speak in English.
Do you offer a speech in English? Yes.
Did you speak English with dental?
Did you ever write an email in English?
Did you write an email in English?
Do you listen English commentary?
Did you make videos of English?
Good.
Did you
Anything else?
listen English songs?
Very good. Okay. Do you speak English? Do you speak Japanese? Does your brother speak Japanese? Does your brother speak Japanese fluently? Does your brother speak Greek fluently? Do your sisters speak Greek fluently? Etc. We have done it already, so we are not going to do time pass over here. Next one, we are going to go for the next conversation. Next one, does your brother speak English? Well, he speaks a little English. Do your sisters speak English? Yes, they do. They speak it very well. Okay, so this is the same conversation as the above. So does your brother speak English? Well, he speaks a little English. Do your sisters speak English? Yes, they do. They speak it very well. All right. So it was about what speaking only. Let's go for conversation C. In this conversation C, can I help you? Yes, I speak only French. I'm sorry, but I don't understand French. Please find someone who speaks French. Now, there's a huge problem. You might have seen this. Actually, I've been when I was on the airport. I was at the airport and there was a person and he was speaking some other language. I think it was Russian. So I was unable to understand what exactly is he saying. So at the time I was searching and I was fetching the people who can speak or who can understand French. It was the same condition happened with me at the airport. So can I help you? Yes, I speak only French. I'm sorry, but I don't understand French. Please find someone who speaks French. All right, can I help you? So can you please have some sentence with can I help you? So let's have here. Can I help you? Can I help any of you? Can we help any of you? Can we assist any of you? Can we assist any of you with anything? Can we assist you with can you assist you too with anything? All right, can you please give me some sentence with can I help you? And give me some good sentences of please. Can I help you? So just change the sentence and make it good one. Can I help you? So can I, for example, can I help him? Can I help her? Can I help them? Can I help? Can I help? Can I help you? Can I help them? Or next, after changing the pronouns, you can change the verbs as well. For example, can I assist you? क्या मैं आपको मदद कर सकता हूँ? Or can I talk to you? Or can I have your company? See, try to use your brain and try to make some good sentences. आपको सिर्फ आपके दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करना है और आपको जितना sentence आपके दिमाग में आ रहा है, you have to speak up there.
Can I
Can I have
tolerate you to complete your work?
Pardon?
Can I tolerate you to complete your work?
Very good, boy. Can I tolerate to complete your work? Can I assist you?
Assist you to talk French.
Can I make an acquaintance? Can I make an acquaintance? Or
Marvelous.
Yes, continue, please.
Can I
Yes.
help you to choose the dress?
Can I help you to choose this dress? See, थोड़ा दिमाग लगाना है और आपको अच्छा सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए मिल जाएगा. Can I help you to choose this dress? अब क्या मैं आपको ड्रेस चूज करने के लिए हेल्प कर सकता हूँ? ऐसा. Give me some sentences. Yes, Mujahid, Miss Ruqayya, Miss Tasmiya, Mr. Mufiz, Mr. Sahil. Give me sentences, please.
Can I help with you to beat rotten apple?
Can I help you to beat a rotten apple? Oh my God.
Can I
You can
inform to finish your confusion?
Yes,
Can I inform to finish your confusion?
very good. Can you help
Can
me
I
to make
help
my bed? सामने वाले से help भी मांग सकते हैं आप लोग. So you can just change the sentence and make it. Can I help?
Can I help
Can
you to become?
Yeah. Yes, continue. I'm really sorry to interrupt. Yes, continue.
Can I
Can I
assist
help
you
you to
find your
become
address?
scientist?
Correct. Can I help you to become a scientist as well? Oh wow. Yes, continue.
Can I assist you to find your address?
Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes, Sahil.
Can you
Miss
have coffee with me?
Oh, कॉफी नहीं
Can
पीता
I
वो हेल्प करने के सामने.
can I help you to break the wall?
Can I help you to break the wall? Okay. Can I
Can
help you
you
to?
can you give me tips to swim well?
Very good. Can you give me tips to swim well? Please try to say change sentences
Can
and
I
make it.
help you? Can I help you to bring the police?
Very good. Can I help you to bring the police? Can you please help me to sort out my problem? Can you help me to learn this? Can you help me to make this step well? Can I help you to
Can
have?
I help you to buy some things?
Can I? Can you please help me to buy some things? Can you please help me with your ATM card? Can you please help me with some finance? Can you please help me with some capital? Can you please help me with understanding this concept? कितना कुछ
You-
sentences सारे sentences बोलो जल्दी जल्दी.
You can help me to catch some gang violence.
Oh. Can you give me confidence to believe in myself?
अच्छा.
Okay. Can you please give me some confidence? Yes.
Can your brother brother compromise for it?
Okay. Yes.
Can I help to cut the dress with you?
Very good. Miss Tasmia, Miss Rukaiya, make sentences. Miss Zainab. It is easy. It is easy. It is peanuts.
Can I help you to eat food?
Very nice.
Can you do research
Can I
to launch some technology?
Very good.
can I assist you to pass your exam?
Very good.
Can I
बहुत ही-
help you to feed your butterfly?
Oh my God. Yes. Yes, please continue.
Can I help you to do work in the kitchen?
Very good.
Can you come with us for long drive?
Very good.
Can I help you to hang the showcase with you?
Very good.
Can I help you to clean a vehicle?
Very good.
Can I help
Some
you
more
to
income.
make some delicious food?
Can you
Very
have a
good.
dinner with me?
Can you have dinner with me? Not a dinner. Yes, please.
Can you help to leave this meeting?
Very good.
Can you assist me to complete my chores?
Very good.
Can I help to speak in English?
Can you please help me to speak English?
Can I
Can you-
help you
Can you ever
some money with the office in the office?
can you ever help to anyone?
क्या फेंक रहे दोस्त?
Can
Can I help you in a drawings?
Can I help you in drawings? Yes, Mujahid, repeat your sentence once again, please.
Can you ever help to anyone?
Have you ever helped? Can नहीं आएगा वहाँ पर. Have you ever helped anyone? क्या आपने कभी किसी की मदद की?
You
Have you
can
ever-
help me to write some notes.
You can help me to write some notes. Good.
can you train me to crack the interview?
Very good. Can you please train me to crack the interview? Very good.
Can I help you to hit a rotten apple and backseat driver?
Very good. Very good.
Can I help you to take some bags with you?
Very good. Can you please help me to take some good lessons from the yoga? Can you please help me to some good lessons to take some good lessons from this book? Can you please help me?
Can you acquaintance to fill this exam?
Become a good person.
Yeah, repeat once again. Movies, repeat.
Can you help me to swim in the swimming pool?
वेरी गुड। कितना अच्छा एरिया देखो हमारा। मुसलमान लोग रात को 12, 13, 1 बजे तक के ना क्रैकर्स उड़ा रहे थे। उनको ये तमीज नहीं, अकल नहीं है। मुसलमान है हम लोग, ये काम अपने काम करने के है क्या? ऐसे तो अपने लोग होगा फिलहाल में। दिख रहा है कि आपको बज रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये देले भर की। उनको ये तमीज नहीं है। और वो भी कैसे मालूम है? परसों के दिन अपनी वाइफ को मार रहा था वो आदमी, और कल वो पटाखे उड़ा रहा था यहाँ पर बाहर। अब ऐसे आदमी को क्या बोलना चाहिए? घर तो संभाला जाता है नहीं, बाहर फालतूगिरी ये काम करते हैं। फिर बाद में लोग बोलते क्या यार अपने मुस्लिम लोग ऐसे ज रहते हैं, ये क्या ऐसे रहते हैं ऐसे लोग।
Can I help you to set the things with you?
गुड।
Can you come for a walk to Tet with me?
Just one, I'll take you 2 minutes. Always remember, as you're going to make a company, the company will reflect you. मेरा सबसे फेवरेट प्रोवर्ब है इंग्लिश का, and the proverb is, a man is known by the company he keeps. A man is known by the company he keeps. Do you know my secret? My secret is what? I don't keep friends. Why? The secret is what? Another proverb is there in English, and it says, save me from my friends. इंग्लिश का एक कहावत है, सेव मी फ्रॉम माई फ्रेंड्स, मुझे मेरे दोस्तों से बचाओ। ये कैसा प्रोवर्ब है यार? क्या मतलब होता है इसका? साहिल, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस, सेव मी फ्रॉम माई फ्रेंड्स?
I said
यस,
From wrong people.
एग्जैक्टली। फ्रॉम रॉन्ग पीपल नहीं, फ्रॉम रॉन्ग फ्रेंड्स, फॉल्स फ्रेंड्स। सेव मी फ्रॉम माई फ्रेंड्स मतलब है नहीं, उसका मतलब ये होता है आज के ज़माने में सबसे ज़्यादा अगर कोई बर्बाद कर सकता है तो वो आपका दोस्त होता है। कैसे पता है? आप जैसे कॉलेज में जाते हैं तो आपका दोस्त रहता है ऐसे झांकी पैंकी एकदम, चल ना जरा थोड़ा उधर जाके आएंगे, बर्गर किंग में जाके बर्गर खा के आएंगे। चल ना जरा पूनो कॉलेज के बाद थोड़ा छपरीगिरी करेंगे थोड़ा बैठ के उधर। चल ना जरा वो आजम कैंपस के बाजू में जाएंगे, वहाँ पे देखेंगे औरता लोग को। आपको लेकर जाता है वो, चल ना जरा थोड़ा सा। कल के दिन बोलेगा चल ना थोड़ा सा पीने भी जाएंगे। ये कराता कौन है आपसे? दोस्त कराता है। Always remember, a man is known by the company he keeps. इंसान उसकी कंपनी से जाना जाता है, उसके दोस्तों से जाना जाता है। किसी बेवड़े को अगर आपको ढूंढना है तो आपको हॉस्पिटल में जाना की जरूरत नहीं है, आपके डॉक्टर्स लोगों के पास में। बेवड़े लोगों की टोली पर जाए, वहां पर आपको मिल जाएगा। So make good company to be the best and see, ऐसे लोगों के चक्कर में मत पड़िए जो कि ऐसे फालतू टाइप के हो। इंडिया को सबसे पीछे लेकर जाने वाली सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक चीज है, मैं मानता हूँ, ना इकोनॉमी है, ना फालतू सोच है, ना कुछ है। एक ही चीज है जो इंडिया को पीछे लेकर जा रही है, और वो है चौक। चौक रहते हैं ना, चौक। आप लोगों ने देखा रहेगा चौक में लड़के बैठते हैं, है कि नहीं? रब्बे रोशन, सत्यानाश बॉयज सर्कल, वांदे बॉयज सर्कल, आप लोगों ने देखा रहेगा। ये बॉयज वो बॉयज, ये फ्रेंड सर्कल वो फ्रेंड सर्कल, सत्यानाश मित्र मंडल, ये मित्र मंडल वो मित्र मंडल। ये जो लोग होते हैं ना चौक में बैठने वाले, ये वो लोग होते हैं जिनके पास काम धंधे नहीं रहते, और ये लोग जाके बर्बाद कर रहे हैं कंट्री को, ये लोग बर्बाद कर रहे हैं सोसाइटीज को। सो प्लीज मेक योरसेल्फ to be the best, and you can be the best by educating yourself. Sorry. So learn and earn handsome in future. Getting it? Let's continue. कभी भी याद रखिए, आप क्या कर रहे हैं, लोग आपको फॉलो करते हैं, लोग आपको फॉलो करते हैं, ध्यान रखना है। ये सब चीजें मैं मेरे लिंक्डइन पर बहुत पहले से डालता आ रहा हूँ। देखो अभी भी बज रहा है, ये तो अभी जल्दी बजा रहा है, वरना कल 3-4 दिन से तो ये लोग ने क्या किया था, रात को बजा रहे थे ये लोग, रात को 12-1 बजे। जिसके घर में बेचारा छोटा बेबी होगा उसका क्या, उस आदमी का क्या होगा? फिर बाद में बोलते हैं हम लोग उम्मत मोहम्मदिया है। ऐसे थी उम्मत मोहम्मदिया, ये है। नाम खराब कर रहे हैं नबी का भी, क्यों? क्योंकि खुद को तमीज नहीं ना हमको। सॉरी टू से दिस, बाय द वे, इट्स नॉट माय वे टू टीच ओवर हियर, बट मेरा काम मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम मुसलमान हैं, मेरा काम है मुसलमानों को थोड़ा बहुत समझाना, क्योंकि ऊपर इसका हिसाब होने वाला है ना। अल्लाह पूछेगा मैंने तेरे को इल्म दिया था, तूने उसका क्या किया। खास इल्म के बारे में सवाल होने वाला है, तो अल्लाह के सामने मुंह रखने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ बढ़ना बताना पड़ेगा ना। सो आई बिलीव अगर आपके पास में कुछ अच्छी चीज़ है, शेयर विद द पीपल, हेल्प द पीपल टू ग्रो, गेटिंग इट, एंड बी द बेस्ट. By the way, let's complete it. I'm so sorry. Come, get back to the point. Start once again, please.
Can I help you to send recordings of IELTS?
Very nice. Yes.
Can you train employees to know the process?
Can I help you to ride the bicycle?
Very good.
Can Ansar sir help me to speak in English?
Very good. Yes. Continue. Continue. Yes.
Can I help you to become a good person?
Very good.
Can
Yes.
I help you to shake the mango juice with you?
Very good.
Can I assist you to save from rotten apple?
Very nice.
Sir, what we say to भटका हुआ इंसान?
Misleading.
Sorry, sir, I didn't listen.
Misleaded.
Can you show the right path to misleaded person?
Very good.
Can I help you to save from pain? No.
Okay. Okay. No problem. No problem. Please keep on making sentences with these things. Okay. Let's
The
one.
last one.
Yeah. Repeat.
What means of misclaimant?
Misleaded.
भटका हुआ.
Yes, sir.
गुमराह हुए वे लोग. गुमराह means what? भटके हुए लोग.
Oh, yes. So, may
Yes, Miss Tasmia.
can you please assist me to overcome with my fear of public speaking?
Simple. I have recorded a video. Are you asking me a question or just making a sentence?
Both the ways.
All right. Actually, I've made a video, especially on public speaking. As you can see there on YouTube, actually, my series is going on public speaking. So there is a video which I've just recorded today itself on fear. So it's a long video, and I've given some concepts that can clear your doubts about public speaking and the methods that how could you just get rid of from the fear of public speaking. See, first of all, would like to tell you nobody is perfect. This is what my mantra, and I believe in it. कोई भी दुनिया के अंदर perfect नहीं है. What medium are you from, madam?
Sorry, sir, I can't hear you.
What medium are you from?
I'm from Urdu medium.
That's really great. Even I was from Urdu medium. But in my childhood, I never imagined even that I could be teaching convent school principles. That Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made me that I have taught. Do you know Mount Carmel School?
Yes, my mom is from that school. Actually,
Wow.
my whole family is from English, and I am the only one from Urdu medium because it was my dream of my dad to put me in Urdu medium so he can learn. Now he is far ahead than me in Urdu. So that's the
Always
problem. Like, I don't know, I was not like this before, but because of the lockdown, might be. I get something like I get shivering and I get cold in my hands, so I can't speak. Even I can't go and click on the unmute button. So that takes me to familiar with these things.
let me tell you one more thing. See, could you see my hands?
Yes,
I
I can.
don't know, but if you see, my hands are wet.
Yes, my too. Same. And
But
it
my
actually
leg,
gets cold. That's the thing. I don't speak.
it is the same with me. If you see my hands, they are completely like I've just put it into the fridge.
Same.
Too cold. See, this is what since my childhood I used to have the same fear not to speak in front of the people. And I was a punk kid in my childhood, and I never used to be with people. I used to be very recluse. What do you mean by recluse? Another word I've got. Guys, copy this word. What do you mean by recluse? Recluse is a person who doesn't like to talk others.
Yes.
So it is the same. I was a person who never used to talk to people. I used to be alone even in my school. I used to sit alone. I never had friends over there even. I had only one friend and who also passed away in 2013. But it was a time for me that I used to think that will I be able to speak English? Will I be able to stand in four people? That I would be speaking English in front of them. I would be standing in a crowd. I would be making myself to introduce myself as well. I was lacking confidence a lot. But only one thing I've got, and that's what main mantra of mine. Nobody's perfect. Now let me tell you one more thing. The moment when you are speaking English in front of someone, even though if they know English well or they don't know, the impression is something different. Do you agree with it?
Yes, I do.
Same case, the moment if you want to speak English in public, I'll give you some tricks and hacks. You can go step by step like that. Point number one, you have to start preparing yourself just to get rid of from your nervousness. Point number one,
Yes.
as you're being nervous, so just do one thing. Even I used to feel the same. Even now my hands are wet. Even now my feet are wet. I used to get nervous a lot. I used to get demotivated by the people around me. I left them. Apart from that, I started practicing at home. What are the practices? Point number one is what reading. Start reading so you'll get ideas in your mind just to speak up. Point number two, listening. Start listening the audios of English. I'll give you the audios so you can go through the audios and you can start listening them. As you listen them, your brain, your mind, your soul, your heart will be
That's
hammering.
Mm.
It will be hammering again and again with English words, and at last you're going to start speaking there. Apart from that one, you can go with speaking. How could you speak? I'll tell you the first one. You can go, some people they say that you can just go and you can just share, sorry, you can face the camera, sorry, you can face the mirror. It is a shit thing, sorry to say this. Why? Because what happens the moment when we see our face in the mirror, sometimes we start thinking about our beauty. कैसे दिख रहा है? हाँ ना यार. So stop thinking about the beauty and all. Forget that mirror. Instead of mirror, you can face the camera. Because I believe so, facing a camera, it is the toughest task.
Yes.
What I learned in this lockdown, if you see my video, which I've posted in December 2018, is literally different than the video which I'm putting now today itself, and yesterday also I've posted. And the upcoming video, which you will be seeing in future, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, maybe. I've shot it today itself. So you will find that the difference between those videos, literally, it is a rapid difference between them. The drastic difference between the videos is what? Confidence. I've gained confidence from the camera. So start speaking with the camera, and after speaking on the camera, try to send to your friends as well. It will give you a great boost and charms. They are going to critique you, but don't be criticized. Whatever they're saying, no problem at all. Start giving your videos, start sending your videos to your good friends, because good friends are the one who is encouraging you to grow more rather than pulling your leg to come down into the gutter. Sorry to say this.
We
Getting
can
it?
send to our family also.
As well. Really, it is really good thing. So this is what you can do just to build up your public speaking. And there are many other tricks and hacks which you're going to get from my further sessions as well. And apart from that, my videos. So you can go and you can watch my videos on YouTube, and you'll find there what exactly are public speaking. I've given a webinar, I think a fortnight ago. I've delivered a webinar. So that webinar, I have just, some important points are there. I've just cut them and put it onto the YouTube. So you can go and you can watch it there as well. So you'll find there what exactly I mean about stage. Now, many of the people are there, they fear about the stage. What is stage? They fear about stage is what? Going on a stage and speaking over there. Actually, stage is what? People don't know even the meaning of stage. Sorry to say this. Why? Because they don't know what exactly stage is. अभी stage बोले तो हम लोगों को खाली इतना समझ में आता है कि ऐसे चार बम्बू मार के खड़ा करके वो खड़ा हो रहता है, उसके ऊपर जाने का, उसके ऊपर बोलने का. Stage, we have different kinds of stages. I'm sitting now here talking to all of you. It is a kind of stage. It is a kind of stage. ये भी stage है. If you are posting your thoughts, your ideas on LinkedIn, that is also a stage. वो भी एक stage है. If you're talking on Facebook, if you're going live on Facebook, that's also a stage. Stage के अलग अलग patterns हैं. जरूरी नहीं stage ऐसे बम्बू मार के खड़ा करके ऐसे लोखंड का उसके ऊपर रुकेंगे. So if you want to get rid of from your public speaking fear, you have to work on several things one by one. So I'll be giving you some ideas. So first of all, I would like to tell you that go for reading and listening. These are the two things: reading in the morning and listening at night. If you're going parallelly with both the things, you are going to get rid of from your fear of public speaking. And I'm sure that I made you to speak on the camera. I believe so. If you're going to prepare yourself, if you're going to face the camera, and if you're going to face the audience which are there in the class, one day inshallah you'll be speaking in front of the public directly. I believe so. Getting it?
Yes, thank you.
Never mind. And I'll be giving you some tips, all of you ahead, so you go through those, you can follow those tips, and you can go towards your public speaking as well. I was a person in my childhood, I never used to come on the stage. Do you know this one? I used to sit on the first bench, I used to sit on the second bench, but I never used to come on the stage because I used to fear. And I am the person who has delivered lectures to the teachers in SNDT college. Do you know how and why, on what? I have offered the lecture, I have delivered the lecture to the teachers in SNDT college, especially on teaching skills, how to teach. And those were the teachers of my mother's age. मेरी अम्मा की उम्र के थे वो, अम्मी की उम्र के थे मेरे वो. और उन लोगों को मैंने क्या दिया लेक्चर? हाउ टू टीच. कभी सोचा भी नहीं था. यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑफ द फियर. वो फियर ही निकाल के फेंक दिया मैंने. क्यों? क्योंकि भाई कुछ नहीं है, यहाँ पे हैं अभी हम लोग, इससे और नीचे क्या गिरेंगे हम लोग? अभी इससे नीचे क्या गिरेंगे? और यहाँ तो है ही ना अभी हम लोग, इससे नीचे और क्या गिरेंगे? और गिर भी गए तो क्या हुआ? अरे एक्सपीरियंस तो मिलेगा, एक हिम्मत तो आएगी कि उठूंगा मैं करके. और जो बंदा उठ ही नहीं रहा है, उसको क्या कहेंगे हम लोग? जो बंदा उठ ही नहीं रहा है तो उसको क्या कहेंगे? कुछ नहीं कर सकते. सो एटलीस्ट यू आर ट्राइंग. दिस इज द ग्रेट थिंग. दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. यू हैव टेकन द एडमिशन इन दिस क्लास, राइट? सो मींस यू आर ट्राइंग. अगर बोलते हैं कि भाई मुझे करना है, वो ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं. मुझे कल एक बंदे ने फोन किया था. लिसन टू मी केयरफुली ऑल ऑफ यू. एक बंदे ने मुझे कॉल किया. मैंने उसको सिर्फ, जब उसने बहुत देर तक मुझे बात किया, मैंने उसको सिर्फ एक ही बात पूछा था और उसके ऊपर पूरा समझ में आ गया मुझे कि क्या खेल है उस बंदे का. मैंने उसको पूछा कहाँ रहते हैं आप, तो उसने मुझे एरिया का नाम बताया. मैं बोला ठीक है. अब समझ गया बिकॉज अ मैन इज द नोन बाय द कंपनी ही कीप्स. उसी कंपनी से पता चलता है कि वो आदमी कहाँ रह रहा है, तो उसके हिसाब से हम लोग जज कर सकते हैं कि वो आदमी का अंदर का माइंड कैसा काम कर रहा है. 99% लोग ऐसे ही होते हैं. एक आधा % ऐसे रहेगा जो कि गलत जगह पर रहेगा और अच्छा आदमी बनेगा. वो लोटस हर एक नहीं बनता है. हर एक को लोटस के ऐसे हम लोग ट्रीट नहीं कर सकते. वो बंदा मुझे ये बोल रहा था ऐसा थोड़ी होता, मैं 1 महीने में इंग्लिश सीखूंगा क्या, 3 महीने आएंगे क्या, पोर्शन कंप्लीट होगा क्या, ये करूंगा क्या. मैंने आज तक के मेरी पूरी लाइफ के अंदर, आई स्टार्टेड टीचिंग एट द एज ऑफ 16. जब मैं सिर्फ 16 साल का था, मैं तब से पढ़ा रहा हूँ. मैंने आज तक कभी किसी को प्रॉमिस ये नहीं किया हूँ कि मैं आपको पूरा इंग्लिश सिखाऊंगा. क्यों? क्योंकि वो हशर में गचंडी पकड़वाने वाले काम है और मैं ऐसा करना ही नहीं चाहता. क्यों भाई? उसकी वजह ये है, मैंने अगर आज बोला कि मैं आपको पूरी इंग्लिश सिखाऊंगा, पूरी इंग्लिश तो एक फॉरेनर को भी नहीं आती है. क्या आपको पूरी उर्दू आती है? क्या आपको पूरी मराठी आती है? कोई बता ही नहीं सकता कि उसको आती है करके. अगर आती है तो मेरे सामने आओ. कुत्ते को उर्दू में क्या बोलते हैं? व्हाट इज कुत्ता इन उर्दू? रुकैया.
सर कुत्ता.
कुत्ते को उर्दू में कुत्ता बोलते हैं, हिंदी में बोलते कुत्ता. क्या बोलते हैं उर्दू में कुत्ते को? मैं आप लोगों को इंसल्ट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं आपको सिर्फ ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ, आपका माइंड क्लियर कर रहा हूँ कि हम लोग 10 साल तक के तो उर्दू बोलते रहे ना, केजी से लेके तो 10वीं तक के. कम से कम 10 से 11 साल हम लोग ने उर्दू बोली है, पढ़ी है, लिखी है, सब कुछ किया है, पर पूरी उर्दू आती है हम लोग को? नहीं आती है. एंड पीपल आर कमिंग टू मी एंड दे आस्किंग मी, विल आई गेट द सर्टिफिकेट? In 3 months? Will I speak English in 1 month only? कभी यूज किया था भाई, समझ में नहीं आता लोगों ने यूज कब किया था. तो लोग एक्चुअली क्या कर रहे हैं उनको खुद को पता नहीं है. हम लोग को हमारा माइंड क्लियर करने की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है. तो उर्दू में कुत्ते को बोलते हैं सग. चेक कर लेना, सग बोलते हैं कुत्ते को उर्दू में. तो इट इज सेम थिंग. मराठी वाले को मराठी नहीं आता है, हिंदी वाले को हिंदी पूरा नहीं आता है. सेम केस इंग्लिश तो बाहर की लैंग्वेज है, 1-2 महीने में पॉसिबल है क्या? नहीं. तो उसके लिए प्रैक्टिस की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है. So I believe that if I'm going to give you the tips, you're going to work on it, and inshallah one day you'll start speaking. This is I believe so. So do one thing, start reading and listening. Reading what? First टेप स्क्रिप्ट्स लेकर जाओ. वो टेप स्क्रिप्ट्स को जितना हो सकता है उसको रीड करो, उसके अंदर के डायलॉग्स को रट्टा मारो. वो डायलॉग्स आपके भेजे में बैठ जाएंगे. इंशाल्लाह आपको सेंटेंसेस बनाने के लिए जो तकलीफ हो रही है वो तकलीफ नहीं होगी, आप उसके जरिए अच्छे सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं. देन लिसनिंग योर टेप स्क्रिप्ट्स की जो ऑडियोज है उनको लिसन, उसको सुनो. उसके अंदर आपको एक्सेंट मिलेगा, वर्ड पावर मिलेगा, आपको सेंटेंसेस मिलेंगे, एक्सप्रेशंस मिलेंगे, बहुत सारी चीज मिलेगी. तो आप उसको करने के बाद में मैं आपको आगे की चीजें हैं वो भी बताऊंगा. एंड इंशाल्लाह ट्राई टू स्पीक ऑन फ्राइडे एटलीस्ट 5 मिनट्स मिनिमम. 5 मिनट्स तो बोलना चालू करो आप लोग कैमरे के सामने, क्योंकि जब आप लोग
Sir.
मुझे फेस, बाकी लोगों को फेस करेंगे इंशाल्लाह यू विल बी स्पीकिंग अमेजिंग. यस.
We want to be speak tomorrow.
No. Only on Monday. Sorry, Friday.
Friday.
Friday is our speaking day. Every Friday we are going to have speaking. Any questions to anyone?
No, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
All right, so I believe so that you're going to practice at home today's lecture as well. Whatever I have taught you here today, please help me with these things. So please find someone. So please, I have given you the link of this book. Page number 13 is there. Okay, page number 13. इसको practice करना है आपको page number 13 को. All right, we'll have this page number 13 tomorrow once again. All right, please keep on practicing at home, and if you have any questions, you can ask me directly. Cheerio.
Bye
See
bye.
you. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Boy.